Hello, I'm Grady McCoy with FlagandBanner.com. Today we're going to talk about street pole banner hardware. Street pole banners are a great way to spruce up your downtown, decorate for the holidays, or advertise for a special event in your community. Okay, let's talk about everything that's going to come in your banner bracket kit. We've got bracket, the banding to hold the bracket, the arms for the banner to hang on, and then the accessory kit that comes with the brackets includes pin and ring to hold the arm to the bracket, zip ties to help secure the banner to the hardware, and then an end cap to give the arm a finished look once you get it complete. The brackets have a notch top and bottom for the banding to go around to help secure it. The bandings are just basically a giant hose clamp that are going to slide together, and you use a screw. You can also use a drill with a socket to tighten them down. The brackets mount to a round or square pole. It's got a little arrow on it indicating that it goes up. The one that on the bottom is going to go down because the bracket has a slight cant to it so that the arms are tilted away from each other to provide tension on the banner. That's what holds the banner in place. Once we attach the arm to the bracket and we secure it with this pin, the pin has a small ring that you'll fasten to the end of the pin. And on that ring, you're gonna finish installation with this zip tie through the ring and then through the banner. And that's gonna prevent the banner from sliding off in a high wind event. The tension of the poles will keep it in place, but during extreme wind, the rods can flex and the banner could slip off the end. These ties will prevent that. If you are in a high wind area, we also offer these spring-loaded brackets that will help extend the life of your banners and may be more appropriate for your installation. Then the very last thing is a little end cap. Put your end cap on the end, and that's going to give you a finished look when you've installed your banner on the pole. Okay, that should be everything you need to know about how to put together a street pole banner kit and what components come with it. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at FlagandBanner.com.